Okay, so I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know what I'm even doing. This is like some voiceover shit. So I was gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna do, hi guys, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. And then I looked around and I'm like, shit, my makeup. So then I ran my ass to the bathroom. I grabbed my shit and I'm coming back. And then, oh wait, I actually forgot my makeup the first time. I didn't have any rubber bands on me, so I had to put a little headband on. I try to speed this shit up really fast, but it won't load, so this is the best you guys are getting, okay? I hope I'm talking loud enough. It'd suck if you guys can. Did I even have my makeup? I don't know what the fuck's even going on anymore. I just filmed this and I don't even remember what happened. Oh yeah, I did have my makeup with me. Cool. I was actually prepared, kinda. So this is the NYX pore filler. I just got it from Target. It is, oh, yeah, my head scratched. My head itched. Oops. So this is the NYX pore filler. It comes out really weird. So I kind of feel like I bought like an expired tube. Like, the fuck is that? It's literally like a dog shit in my hand. But it's okay. I'm just gonna rub it all over my. I don't know what's going on with the video, but it's going. So I just rubbed this dog shit paste into my face for a while. It's gonna be a while. And then I gotta put some on my forehead. I didn't know where to really look for most of the video, so if I look stupid. Oh, I'm hitting myself. Okay, I don't know. Um, I forgot what to do. I found the box. You know, I looked for that box like 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. That's why I had to speed up the video, because I don't want to trim it. Oh, this is the Naked Skin Urban Decay. I think it's 3.5. Yeah. I don't know. You couldn't really see it. And I was just like, whatever. So you gotta shake that thing. And you also gotta shake the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation shit. So I got my pore filler primer, that's the word, primer on my face. Now I put the foundation on my face. And I see beauty gurus always mix it. So oh, yeah, that happened. I was really shocked and I don't know where it went. You guys saw that shit. That shit just, I was so confused. I am still very confused. So yeah, beauty gurus usually mix them because they can't buy the right shade for their face or something. And my broke ass doesn't know colors apparently enough, so I mix them. And it's kinda okay. I mean, I'd never wear it out in public because I don't go outside, but yeah, putting stuff on my face. And then I forgot I had to look at myself because I don't know what my face shape is because I can't do things blind. I don't know, that didn't make any sense, but yeah. I'm trying to get the redness out of my face. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. And then you blend it, supposedly. With my shitty blending skills. I don't think I even used enough. I don't know. But I'm doing it. I'm trying. Gosh, am I trying? It looks like shit now I'm rewatching it.
Yeah.
I didn't ask for you to agree with me.
Huh.
Shut up. But, can you stop? You know, you probably hurt a bunch of my viewers' ears. You know, all two of them.
Look at them. Look at you.
Look at them. Look at you. Who am I?
How are you doing a makeup tutorial, but yet, like...
You don't know what I'm doing?
Don't know what the fuck you're doing.
It just happens. At least I kind of like blend it correctly. I think I am.
It didn't turn out that bad.
Oh no!
Fucker!
I forgot to touch my computer and then everything went black, so I just freaked out. So yeah, you're supposed to get like under your eyes, but there's supposedly a concealer for that. I don't like how it makes my eye wrinkles look, so I just use foundation. And then I gotta get my little neck fat, gotta make sure it's blended, and get the little nose ridges. That shit's hard. Did I get my forehead yet? I don't think so.
It's a pretty big surface area.
I want airplanes to land on my forehead. That's how big it is.
Dude, next makeup tutorial,
Can
can
you
we make
just
a runway on your forehead?
I don't have gray.
You don't need gray.
I need gray because then
white.
how is the plane gonna find out where to land if there's no concrete? I need gray.
They land on dirt too.
You need to do it too. Shut up.
They do, like in
You're
Alaska.
not part of this voiceover. Can you be quiet?
I can't make myself a part of it.
I wish you didn't.
I'm sorry.
So I'm finally doing my forehead, and it looks majorly uneven. I don't know why. I guess because I mixed colors. Oh, I think I just saw a dent in my forehead. Yikes. I didn't use enough pore filler. So now I'm like, fuck, what am I supposed to do? I don't know what to do. I'm stressed. Oh, my hair looks so pretty though. Damn. So, woof. I just, woof. Oh, I'm looking at myself and I'm like, damn, I look okay. So I forgot what to do, so I'm kind of like looking through my bag, like, what am I supposed to do? I look at the camera, I'm like, I don't know what to do, guys. I look back in the bags and I'm trying to find out what to do, and then I think I found out what to do. Like, starting, now I found out what to do. I want to do my favorite part, the highlighter. I forgot what to do again. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to show you guys the highlighter. But I forgot. And then I remember after I did my nose. I get this big old brush and I just make it flat like a fan brush, because even, like, I just don't want to pay $1 for a damn fan brush. That's another brush I got clean. So then I'm like, oh shit, I gotta show you guys. This is the Lauren, I don't know, but it's the baked gelato highlighter thing. It's in Charming Pink. This is probably like the only. Actually,
you think you would just write a
script?
script?
Can you be quiet? Can you be quiet?
You think you would just write?
You're too loud. Why are you so loud? Okay, so I'm doing my favorite part, which is my lips. I love doing my lips because it makes me feel like a little anime girl.
Oh my god.
So that my nose is all shiny, my lips are fucking Rihanna. You know, I'm stunting. I'm feeling good. I put some even more highlighter on that shit, and then I finally do my cheeks.
Oh yeah.
And how do I do my cheeks? I just look where my grease is, and then I'm like, okay, that can be shinier. So I add some fucking sparkles to them. I don't even know if I'm doing it in the right place. Like, I remember I tried using highlighter the first time in, like, Ulta, and the lady just screamed at me. She's like, no! No, what are you doing? So, I don't know. My face is too long for this shit. And my high cheekbones. Like, damn, I wish I really had, like, some type of bronzer so I could, like, pow, skinny, but no. I got shadows for that. I don't even need bronzers.
Fuck a bronzer.
So this is the NYX brow pencil. My brown one got broken, so I'm using black, which is a big no-no, but you guys don't know, so it's okay.
They do know though.
No.
You just told them.
No. So, yeah, I'm trying to make my brows. Last time I did my brows, which was like a day ago or 2 days ago, I made them too big, so I'm trying to focus on thin, petite little brows. doing the little humps or the arches. They're not called humps, the arches is like my hardest part because my eyebrows are uneven. My face is unsymmetrical and one of my eyebrows has a bigger arch than the other.
Why are you gonna say shit about that, like, about yourself, man?
I'm just being real.
You're beautiful.
I know.
The golden humps at McDonald's.
I didn't use highlighter on my brows because fuck that shit. I don't like it when my brows look greasy.
No.
If you do, then good for you. Remind me of fucking french fries.
I love a french fry.
Yep. This is my beauty tutorial, not yours.
Yay, we
Shh,
did it.
be
Wait,
quiet.
she's finishing up. Shh.
Be quiet. So, ow, I'm having cramps. But, yeah, I'm kind of doing my other brow. I'm not finished because I need to fill it in. So I'm like,
I don't think you are.
I use my left
Look
hand.
at your face.
Look at your face.
Oh.
So, I don't know what happened. I guess it froze. I guess it didn't record all of it. So this is the best attempt I can get.
Yay!